by identifying the hidden information, choosing the right operation, and checking that each answer fits the question. We will solve a money and time problem first, then a ratio problem, then a number pattern problem, and finally a combined logic problem that brings several skills together. Each solution will focus on the method so the same thinking can be used on unfamiliar questions. The first problem begins with a total cost and a discount, so the first task is to find the original amount before comparing prices. Starting with the plan to handle the cost carefully, the discount tells us that the sale price is only part of the original price. If a bike costs £144 after a 20% discount, then that price is 80% of the original, so the original price is £180. The original price found, the saving, is the difference between the original price and the sale price. £180 minus £144 gives a saving of £36. Of the ratio as an equal size share. If 3 children share 72 sweets in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4, then there are 9 parts altogether. With 9 equal parts making 72 sweets, 1 part is found by dividing 72 by 9. 1 part is 8 sweets. By multiplying the ratio numbers by 8, the shares are 16 sweets, 24 sweets, and 32 sweets. After the ratio has been scaled, the number pattern question needs a rule that explains every step, not just one jump. In the sequence 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, the differences are 4, 6, 8, and 10, so the next difference is 12. When difference is identified, the next term comes from adding the next difference to the final known term. 30 plus 12 gives 42. Pattern answer is settled. The final problem combines facts about 3 pupils and their test scores. If Aisha scored more than Ben, Ben scored 7 less than Kara, and the 3 scores total 248, then Ben can be called 1 score value, Aisha is higher, and Kara is Ben plus 7. So the 3 scores add as Ben plus 13, Ben and Ben plus 7. 3 Ben scores plus 20 equals 248, so Ben scored 76. With Ben's score known, the other 2 scores follow from the relationships in the question. Kara scored 83, Aisha scored 89, and the total check is 89 plus 76 plus 83, which equals 248.